So now that you've done the white cross, you wanna like get these two up there. So you're gonna go like, oh wait, I just forgot my algorithm. Let's check my thing. Is it here? Wait, no. That's my mix. No, I want something. No, no, unsolved. No, that's not the one I want. Sorry guys, this is taking a while. It would be back here. No, this is 3x3. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Is this? No, that's 3x3. 3x3. It's 4x4. Let's see. Well, I guess we're gonna end this video so I can redo it all.
Okay guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on this triangle. I'm going to be trying to show you how to do it. And so, yeah. So first you're going to open it. Okay. And now, this is literally the hardest part, getting it out. You have to, okay, not what was wanted, but I guess it'll work. Okay, so now I have the cube itself. Well, it's not actually a cube, it's a triangle. So I think it's a pretty good cube, I guess. I'm gonna get that. Yeah, I was going to solve it, but I think it's kind of not gonna be able to do that. And another one is gone. What is happening? I thought this was gonna be like a good cube. Like, did that just come out by me pulling it on? Okay, so this is pretty much the core of it. I guess this wasn't my plan for my video. Oh, we still have one more piece, but I guess this wasn't the plan of my video. But I can show you the inside, and so it has a pretty cool inside and magnets. That's pretty nice, and I guess these go in, and that's the review on this extremely good, non-poppable, says right here on the box, non-poppable triangle.
Today I'm going to show you how to solve this cube. First step is to mix it. You're going to get the cross. How do you make these pieces move? Finally. Got one piece done. It's 2 pieces in total. Yeah, you just start getting the cross. It may take a while because it's really, really, really hard.
Okay, hey guys, I'm gonna teach you this cool algorithm. So you go up, up, side, up, up, side, side, up, up, side, up, up. Okay, if you didn't get that, I'll do it one more time. Up, up, side, up, 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 and that's how you get back to it. If you didn't get that, we'll do it one more time. Up, and that's how you do the algorithm.
Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the 4x4. So this is how you do it. First, you get the cross, and then you do this algorithm. And then you will do the algorithm again, and then you'll do the yellow, and do this algorithm, and then you'll do the algorithm again, and then that. And then you will have cross on the white, and you do it like this. You find 2 pieces, these 2, and then you do this algorithm. Okay, I hope that was able to see. Do the algorithm again, and then I'll have this one. I'll bring it down here, so now I have these, and now I'm going to get all the middles matching, so do this algorithm, get that one, this algorithm, and then this algorithm, and then you have that, and that. You do this algorithm again, and this is rather simple to solve if you know the algorithm, so I hope that you're able to memorize these by just looking at them. And then I'm going to solve like a 3x3. And if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, then I'm going to show you right now. So the first step is you get the white cross like that. The second step is you're going to get a dual. So you're going to be like this. You're going to do this algorithm. And I hope you caught all those algorithms. So now we're to a parity, and for this algorithm, you go like this. I hope you caught that. And then you have this, which is an algorithm right here right now. And then once you've done that algorithm, you are on the last or second last step, depending if you have another parity. And here, you do this algorithm. And then we now have a parity, so we'll be solved. I hope you caught that, and I hope I went fast enough and it wasn't too slow. So thanks for watching.
Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Mega Mix. So I'm gonna mix it. Okay, so the first step is to get white cross. Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you a one-handed algorithm. Okay guys, I got the original Rubik's Cube. It isn't as good as my other Rubik's Cubes, and I am really disappointed. This is pretty much how fast it is. It's kind of really hard to turn, so I decided put all my lube inside the cube. Hopefully this will make it better and not worse. We'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna have to hold it like this and just continuously drop lube in it. Like this. Okay, it seems to be already leaking out on the ground. So, that did not work as well as I thought it would. Okay, I got my timer. Okay. Looking at it. Oops, definitely wet. Ah, this is the worst. I literally see lube coming out of it. Okay, so you can literally see the lube on it. Oh, wait, I need to stop my timer. Okay, so what I got was... Okay, that was like my worst time ever on this cube.
Okay, you got the last step. So you can move this here, and this here, and this here, and this there. And then you're gonna move this there, and this there, and this there. And this middle piece is gonna rotate in a circle. So this is gonna move there, and this is gonna move there, and this is gonna move there. So you're gonna do the super complex algorithm.
Okay guys, today I'm going to get a sub 10 average with my cube. I'm just gonna go get my timer. Uh-oh. Where's my timer? Really? Okay. I cannot find my timer. I'm really gonna look everywhere. No, where's that timer? Come on, where is it? It's under there. Where is the timer? Come on! Where is it? Where is it? Where is my timer? Okay, guys, I've literally not able to find my timer. I've literally looked everywhere. I'm just never gonna be able to solve a cube again. Yeah, I can't do this. I need to find that timer. Okay, maybe somewhere else. Oh, where is it? Timer. It's nowhere. Oh, I just can't find my timer. I literally have no idea where my timer is. This is like the worst ever.